Hola chicos, this is Señora Ana again, and this is how to use Flipgrid. And so sorry about the background. So the first thing you're going to do is, this is if you're using your phone to use Flipgrid. This is for the app. So if you're using an iPad or a tablet or anything like that, then this is what you're going to do. The first thing I need you to do is to go to your App Store or Google Play and look for the Flipgrid. Download that Flipgrid app. Okay, this is something that we use in the county, so this is part of kind of like all the tools that the county provides for us. In my case, I already have it in, but of course, please make sure that you download it ahead of time. So then after you do that, you are going to go ahead and open it. In your app, you're going to look for the Flipgrid. And it's going to show something like this. It's going to ask you to join with a code, or you can scan a Flipgrid QR code. Usually I just give my students the code. So I'm going to enter a code that I already wrote down right here that I'm going to be using. And then you're going to click on go, and it's going to show you something like that. And you're going to say if you want to join with Google or Microsoft, you're going to join with Microsoft, and you're going to use your Office 365 account. So you're just going to click on that, and you're going to use whatever it is. It's last name dot first name dot last name at students.cupk12.org. So I am going to be using and logging in as well. Okay. And then it's going to tell you that it's going to take you to your signing organization. And then because I am a teacher, it's recognizing it in a different way. So yours should take you directly to the Flipgrid, wherever we're going to be recording. It'll show you like the assignment. So in this case, it's an all assignment that I have for my students, but it'll show you the assignment and it'll show you examples if there's already responses right there. But you want to focus on pressing the record button right there. This record button is going to take you to open it with your camera. Once you log in, obviously it's just going to automatically do it, but because I'm on my teacher account, it does it a little bit different. And once you click on yes, I want to start recording, you'll just record yourself, whatever the assignment it is. It lets you at the end take a selfie or something, and if you want to put little stickers and stuff like that, then you can do that, and then you submit it. It's very simple. One of the things I do tell my students, because Flipgrid sometimes can be a little bit iffy, I tell them that they might want to record their video ahead of time in their own camera. Just record themselves very quickly, save the video, and then go to Flipgrid, and they'll give you the option to just upload it. It's just very simple like that. And you can always look at your video in there in case there's anything that you want to change or do or anything else. But then that's how you use it on your app. I'm going to have that second link that is going to show you how to use it if you're using the browser or computer and you have a webcam in it already. All right, chicos, adios. Let me know if you have questions.